Hello, welcome back. So did you know that in CorelDraw you can also make text documents where you can type anything, and also you can put some shapes, your 2D designs or your 2D artworks as part of the document. For example, you see a paper that's used for corporations, and then you see a template where there are shapes for the footer of the document. Let's say this. Let's create a text first. Simply click on the text tool, drag the cursor from a point to make a text box. For example, you want to type something like Lorem ipsum dolor sit admit. Just like this, you can adjust the alignment to full justify to make it neat, just like this. And also you can make a customized header so that you don't have to use a template. For example, custom text. You can also change the font, just like so. For the header, for example, you can color it to any color that you want. Just to inform you that the guidelines outside of the text box won't be visible. Just like this. You can also add some shapes as part of the footer, just like so. For example, you want to do it like this. Some designs will do actually, but like I'm sticking with an irregular shape, just like so. And then when you're done, you can export the document to PDF, for example, for better privacy. So click on File and then click on Export, name anything, for example, document with shapes, for example. And then you hit Enter, and then you click on OK, and then head over to Documents, and then double click on the PDF file, just like this. And then when you're done, the document is all set. Oh, look. Fancy, isn't it? So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!